Welcome to the Rio Grande City Historic Walking Tour. Emilio Bloch Home. Brothers Solomon and Ephraim Bloch, born in France, started one of the longest-standing mercantile houses in Rio Grande City, S. Bloch and Company. Ephraim's three sons, Pierre, Gaston, and Robert, became successful businessmen starting a customs brokerage house in Laredo and Nuevo Laredo in 1928. This two-story, two-part commercial building, built before 1895, appears on a 1894 Sanborn map as a general store. An early 20th century map of Rio Grande City lists E. Bloch as the owner of the property, and the name Emilio Bloch, 1901, is inscribed above an original entryway that is now a window. The windows are fixed wood sash. The second-story windows have beautifully designed brick lintels, while the first-floor windows have elaborated arch hood molds. It is believed a tunnel over 60 feet long and 12 feet in diameter was built as a sewer line from Laborde Hotel to the riverbank, along with another tunnel that intersected under the Bloch home with the intention to access the sewer line for repairs. Local historians speculate these tunnels were used during the Prohibition to facilitate the movement of contraband from Mexico, as local residents claimed that burlap sacks full of whiskey bottles could be found in the tunnels during this time. Prohibition in the United States was a nationwide constitutional ban on the production, importation, transportation, and sale of alcoholic beverages from 1920 to 1933. Also, at the back of the building, there is a tall structure with a small window that many claim served as the lookout tower.